It's your boy Rodney Perry. I'm bringing you an evolutionary experience. Hey, it's game.
Hi, this is India with Designer Accessory Adoption. Thanks for watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic will be on 5 items that I'm currently enjoying, and these are 5 home items that I think you will enjoy too. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first off, I have to say just briefly that I have mentioned that there's throughout the course of the last month and a half, I've been mentioning periodically through some of my videos that I will be doing a lifestyle topic soon. So first off, if this is a repeat moment for you, or you remember hearing that, I just want to say a special thank you to you for watching several of my videos. And here is not home good is what I was about to say, but here is that lifestyle topic that I was referring to. So I will go ahead and get started with those 5. First up is going to be the pack of wet wipes. I do not have any children. However, these are extremely helpful. I learned about these from Lux Mommy. I'm sure you guys have heard of her channel or watch her. If you have not, definitely check out her videos. But she went over, I think it was like, I don't even remember what month it was, but she has like a monthly favorite. And I believe that this was featured in one of her favorites. And when she mentioned it, I thought, maybe I should try these out. So these wet wipes, obviously, because I do not have children, I don't use these for children, but I use these for other things throughout the house. When I say that I get these, and they last a pretty long time, and I spread them out throughout the house like I mentioned. I use these for a lot of things. When I will take one pre-moistened wipe and I will use it to just add a little bit of soap to it and wipe off my table, my countertops, my stove, the front of, like the microwave that gets dirty over time, the fridge, and also like the dishwasher, things splatter on top of your cabinets and things like that. I use these. It's helpful because you don't have to wet a rag. The rag might be dripping with water and things like that. It just makes it easier, at least to me, to help clean up, because I just wipe this wipe out. I put a little soap on it and get to wiping, and then I rinse it off, and then I will do another wipe back through, to get the kind of that layer of soapy water off of it, of whatever you're wiping down. Then I'll do another, run through to wipe it back off without the soap on it. And these are very durable. So all of those things that I just mentioned, I can use one wet wipe for, as long as I just keep rinsing it off, wringing it out, and then coming back through to wipe it down. And I'll alternate if I need to kind of go to another area and put soap on it. So definitely check these out. I purchased these from Amazon. I will leave the link down below. I want to say I got a pack of 3 for maybe somewhere around $20, but I definitely do think these are helpful and worth it. So check these out. All right, so next item on the list is going to be kind of like a 2-parter, because I have 2 different versions of this. And it's going to be the Swiffer Wet Jet. So I have one upstairs for the bathrooms that are upstairs, and then I have one downstairs for not the wet jet kind of pack like this, but the newer wet jet that comes with the already pre-mixed solution in a bottle that you stick in. So that's the reason why I said it was a 2-parter there. So both versions of those wet jets I use. It makes it so much more convenient to use those rather than traditional not soap and water, but traditional ways to mop the floor. So I love these because it's easy. It's easy that in the sense that I don't have to mix in solution, mix in water, kind of wring out the mop type of a thing, as well as the drying time. It doesn't take as long, I feel, to dry your floors. Now, obviously, you can take your mop and kind of really, really wring it out really well, and that way it doesn't leave your floor too wet. But like I mentioned, I feel like the wet jets, both versions, make it a lot easier to use to clean the floor. So that is my item number 2. All right, so I just shuffled around things so that way I didn't have to keep leaning over to the side. So hopefully I don't have to keep pausing the video. All right, so item number 2 is going to be, actually I'm going to do that one as 4 and 5. Okay, I'm sorry, not item number 2. We're on to 3. Item number 3 is going to be, you're probably going to say, really, a paper towel holder? It is going to be a paper towel holder. I will leave the name of this brand down down in the details below. I don't know if you can see that there, but that is the brand. It starts with a K, and I want to say it's either a Swedish or a German brand, so I do not want to butcher the name, but they're so convenient. I have one in the kitchen now, actually we have 3. Pretty much this paper towel holder, I mean, obviously, right? It's just a paper towel holder, but the nice thing about this paper towel holder is I don't have to hold it. Like, I can pull, I didn't want to waste a paper towel, but I just did. I don't have to worry about holding it down, having another hand anywhere to kind of keep the paper towel holder in place while I pull a paper towel off. So it makes it an easy use, so you only have to use one hand to pull the paper towel off. And I think it makes it so easy and convenient. You don't have to worry about this sliding on the floor because you have this kind of ring here that keeps it secure and in place. And then the way that they design this is as you're pulling it, it creates enough tension so that way you don't need a second hand to help hold it in place. So it is so great, so convenient. If your hands are stained, you don't have to worry about dirtying it up by touching it. Also, if both hands are wet because you just finished washing your hands, you don't have to worry about kind of like flinging extra water everywhere or touching the paper towels and getting those wet, because then you need something to kind of help keep the paper towel holder in place so that way you can pull with the other hand. So that's why I say it is very convenient. It is not, I'd say it's not cheap considering that it's a paper towel holder. I want to say I saw some on Amazon and they were $29. But at Home Goods, I was able to get each set for either $12 or $15. So that's why I'm waiting for them to come back available at Home Goods. And every time I go to my local Home Goods, I look around for these. Usually there's only one in stock and I snap it up when I see it. So definitely recommend this. All right. Drop that down to the floor. Next item is going to be this shower spray. And I'll pull this closer. It is made by Method, and it is the Daily Shower Spray. And you're probably thinking, really? I'm just saying. Your shower gets all those little white kind of residue marks from soap, from dirt, from water stains as you're bathing and things like that, you know, throughout the natural course of using your home. You will know what I mean. After I started spraying this in the shower and on the shower door glass, every shower, so every day I'm using this, it has made a difference. Doesn't mean that you're not going to have to clean your shower door, because you will. But seeing a difference with using this on a daily basis, and then when it's time for me to clean, it makes it easier. There's less residue. It makes a difference when I say it. And if you have not tried it, definitely try it. I also like that, you know, a lot of companies have already started moving towards using natural products. And this is one that is made with natural products. So you don't have to worry about kind of those harsh chemicals that are being used in your traditional products that are bleach-based or what have you. So this one is plant-based. It's eucalyptus mint. I definitely recommend it. I always swipe several of these up. So definitely recommend getting this. It makes a huge difference. And the last item on my list, which is going to be number 5, that has been an absolute time saver. I'm so thankful to Kirby. Kirby Vacuum Company for giving me this idea. But you guys, you have baseboards at home. And I was trying to figure out for the life of me, what products can I use to keep these baseboards clean, and something that does not require me to get on my hands and knees and scrub them down ever so often. And the reason I'm thanking Kirby, because the local Kirby agent came to the house one day to do a vacuum cleaner demo. We started talking about baseboards, and she told me how the little suction attachment that they have could be used for that. Now, Kirby vacuum cleaners are expensive. I did not buy one, but it gave me the idea to use my Shark vacuum cleaner that I have, this little brush that comes with it, and attach it to the suction part of the vacuum cleaner to clean my baseboards. And when I say this is extremely helpful and a lifesaver, definitely. So it is whatever. So not a specific type of product, just the fact that I know you have a vacuum cleaner at home, using your little attachment like this to get to your baseboards is going to work, definitely. If you have not tried it, try it. Please try it. Comment down below and let me know that you tried it and what you think. I think it makes a world of a difference. When I say that I bought a, what was it called? A baseboard buddy. That little shabby thing was not helpful. I also then took a cloth and put it on top of my, wrapped it around my broom, sprayed cleaner on it and some water, and used my broom to do it. You know, you still have the chance of like hitting the wall where the paint, the drywall where the paint is and things like that. So I wasn't really in love with that. However, like I said, Kirby came to town, gave me an idea. I used this the last time I cleaned my baseboards, and it made it so much easier. And I would say quicker, because you're just going through. I just dropped it on the floor, but it's plastic, so whatever. I went through and suctioned through there. It was so helpful. So I am at the end of my 5 home products. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried any of these? Have you heard of them? And absolutely, people, try that vacuum cleaner suction on your baseboards and come back and let me know what you think. I would love to know if you're can't get it out, if you are as excited as I am about discovering that. And maybe I'm the only one in the world who couldn't figure it out. But I know I was texting my friends like, how do y'all clean your baseboards? Because I'm trying to figure this out. So I'm thinking that if I was wondering, somebody else was too, and I thought I'd share it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it, or if you have heard of any of these products. Give me a thumbs up and let me know that you have. I would love to also have you subscribe. I load videos every Wednesday covering topics related to fashion, the pre-loved market, luxury items, contemporary brands, as well as lifestyle topics too, like this one. So if you're interested in any of those things, I'm tongue-tied, I would love to see you subscribe and have you back so you can be notified of more videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Thank you.